Hello, this is Loopline, and in this video I'm going to cover the Rank Tracker plugin. If you don't already have the Rank Tracker plugin, you can go to Premium Plugins, Available Plugins, and then purchase it and download it. Once you have it, you can launch the Rank Tracker plugin, and when you go to Options now, you'll see a scheduler. So just like normal, if you haven't seen the other video on how to set up the Rank Tracker, you can watch that. Once you have projects set up, you can use the scheduler. What the scheduler does is it allows you to set a date and time, or a start date anyways, and then a time, and then how often you want to perform it, every day or every so many days, and it will automatically launch the Rank Tracker for you, run the projects you have selected at that given time, and then close it back down. We even have the option to export the results if we want, else the data will still be stored in Rank Tracker like always, and we can view it over time and view the charts and that sort of thing. So I went ahead and made a test project, so let's just call this Scrapebox, because that's what the test project is. And then today is the 19th, so I'm going to leave that. Select a start time, we'll set that here in just a minute. And then I'm going to have it perform every day. I'm going to select the project that I want, that I already have made in Rank Tracker. And then I'm going to go ahead and export the results here. And let's just call this the Scrapebox project. And so now I need to set the time here. And so I'm going to set it for just a few seconds here in the future, create the task, and then close this down because we can actually exit out of everything, including Scrapebox. Nothing has to be running. And when the specified time comes around, it's actually going to launch the Rank Tracker plugin automatically. And there we have it. And it ran the project for us, and it saved the results. Now, it didn't obviously take very long because I only had one keyword stored in there. So let's go have a look at the results here. And so I went ahead and opened the results up here, and I just had one keyword, Scrapebox, and it's obviously position 1 because the website was scrapebox.com, and it gives us the date and that sort of thing. And then it also gives us the other elements. So if we wanted to launch Scrapebox back up, you can see the averages there and see how it adjusted it. So let me pull this up here. And you can see Scrapebox, it ran today, previous change, that sort of thing. So, and then if we click on it, we'll get our charts and all of that sort of stuff. And that is how you set up a project. And then we can also go into the scheduler, obviously, and click on them and remove selected task. So this is pretty handy. You could set it up to run at 2 o'clock in the morning while you're asleep, if you're asleep at that time. If you have a VPS or a server, obviously you could set it up to run anytime, and it's just going to run in the background. And so you can track your rank every day without having to be there, without having to do anything. And it just up and runs and it works. And that is how the scheduler for the Rank Tracker works.